IROC-Z time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1987 Camaro Z28 IROC-Z. And this is a true IROC-Z, FYI. It's just not stickers put on it. It does have the B4Z RPO code, FYI. Now, this particular car, odometer shows 21,000 and some odd miles. Believed according to Carfax, that is 121,000 miles also. I want to be straight up with you on that, but car's in extremely nice shape. Has had a repaint along the way somewhere to its original color of bright red, gray interior. So this car still looking the way it would have been produced by General Motors back in 1987. Underneath the hood, 305, 5-liter V8 power. That is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. I did have the AC blowing cold just a bit ago also. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, interior, engine bay, it is extremely clean. Very nice condition for the age. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. There's going to be a link down there. Click on it. Take you right there. And of course, you can always call us at 507-386-1726. Let you get a good close look at the front fascia. Again, it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Yes, you're going to find a few imperfections here in the paint. I mean, considering that the car has been driven, but very few due to the fact that it has undergone what appears to be a repaint along the way. Take a look up and down the passenger side. You can see the car is just nice and straight. Interior also in extremely nice shape, not showing a lot of wear or any sort of rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Gray cloth interior. Of course, center console with a shifter down there in the floor. Power windows, power locks, rear hatch releases power. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There'll be pictures of the VIN also if you want to check that out at all, and the RPO code sticker that is in the center console lid. Go ahead and check that out. If you want to see the exact options on this car, you may. And again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and that phone number 507-386-1726. Up and down the driver's side of this car. See, it is also straight, and you can tell the paint has a nice luster to it. Good shine reflection coming off that. Check it out all the way to the front doors. Yep, easy to see in this one. Still riding on the stock Z28 wheels, or IROC-Z wheels, if you will. Let's take a look at the interior. There you can see power seat, driver's side. Of course, power locks and power mirrors over here. Take a look at the seat. Again, not showing a lot of wear. Rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Same for the rear, and it's probably easier to check those out in the still pictures. I got good close-ups of all the seats and interior in those still pictures. Let's go ahead and fire it up. There's the odometer reading, by the way, 21,061. But only a 5-digit odometer. Alright. Close the doors, the beep stops. And as you can see, all the gauges working. Tachometer. Battery, fuel, temp. And of course, speedometer. Does have an aftermarket stereo in it. That does work, Pioneer brand. Stereo is fine. You'll be able to hear the compressor kick on. There you go. And again, it does blow cold. I was sitting in here and it didn't take long until I wanted to turn it back up. So AC was blowing cold. Take a look at the condition of the dash. Nice shape. You can tell the car is stored inside. It's not sun-baked, anything like that. So I'll let you know the little map light up here even works. Click that switch. dome light also working back here. Good sounding car. Getting that 305 underneath the hood. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. As you can see by the logo there in the rear, tuned port injection, TPI 305. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop that hood. Let's check out that engine bay, see if it's nice and clean as the rest of the car.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hood liner, good shape. Doesn't appear this car has really been driven much for any climate weather. No doubt about that. There's that 305 TPI engine. Again, power steering, power brake, AC blowing cold. Here's everything. It's all there. And again, nice and neat and tidy. 80s classic, there you go, 1987 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 IROC-Z. Nice looking coupe in bright red, automatic transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call or email